First, allow camera permissions in your browser. You can capture your photo directly using a webcam or by scanning a QR code with your mobile phone. Make sure to capture only a passport-size photo. Do not take full body shots. If you are using a webcam, adjust your face straight inside the box frame. Your eyes, ears, nose, and mouth must be clearly visible. Click on Capture Photo. If you want to take a retake, click on Capture Photo again to update it. To use your mobile phone instead, click on Generate QR Code. Now, scan this QR code using Google Lens or any QR scanner app. On your mobile browser, tap on Allow while visiting site to grant camera permission. Center your face properly within the frame. Ensure the background is plain white and there is sufficient lighting without shadows. Tap on Capture Photo, and then tap on Save Photo. If the image is blurry, you will see a warning message. Simply tap OK and capture a clear, sharp picture. Once the photo is saved successfully, tap OK. Now go back to your computer screen and click on Get Photo to fetch the image. If you need any corrections, click Reset and try again. Once your photo appears clearly, tick the declaration checkbox confirming your photo is correct and clearly visible. Next, you need to upload your signature. Sign on plain white paper using black or blue ink. The file format must be JPG or JPG, and the file size should be less than 220 kilobytes. Keep the file name simple, such as signature.jpg. Click Browse, select your signature image, and open it. Drag the container box over your signature and adjust the corners to fit properly. Click the green tick mark to save the cropped area, or click the cross mark if you need to re-upload. Now, tick the declaration checkbox, confirming your signature is clear and positioned correctly. Next is the handwritten declaration. Write the declaration statement on plain white paper in either Hindi or English using blue or black ink. Scan and save it in JPG or JPG format under 220 kilobytes using a simple file name. Click Browse, select the declaration file, and open it.
Drag the container box over the text and use the corner handles to adjust the crop. Click the green tick mark to confirm. Tick the declaration checkbox confirming your handwritten statement is legible. Now click on Upload Photo, Signature, and Handwritten Text to upload all 3 items to your profile. Next, you need to upload your supporting documents. For date of birth proof, you can upload your 8th, 10th, or 12th mark sheet that clearly displays your date of birth. The image dimensions should be 700 to 800 pixels in width and 400 to 950 pixels in height. The file format must be JPG, and the file size must be under 150 kilobytes. Click Choose File, select your mark sheet, and click Upload Birth Certificate. You can verify at any time using the Click to Download link. Similarly, if you belong to a reserved category, upload your caste certificate for SC, ST, OBC, or EWS. If applicable, upload your disability certificate in the same way. After uploading all required documents, click on Submit Details. Your MP ESB profile is now updated and eKYC is completed. Review all your details carefully on the final screen and click on Print Profile Receipt to save or print your confirmation slip.